Well-planned and executed sales flow using pipeline helps in increasing the chances of growth in sales by closing deals faster and increasing the conversion rate. The sales pipeline represents the stages of a particular lead that helps in taking the right step toward turning prospects into customers. SalesTown CRM gives you a solution to prioritize your lead by tracking the sales process which leads are going through. It helps in keeping record of particular prospects and segregates them for organized sales processes. If you have ever sent a lead to the wrong pipeline or created it manually but accidentally added it to the wrong one, you can simply transfer it. Moving lead from one pipeline to another in SalesTown CRM can be done in two ways. First is drag and drop. For this, click and hold the lead from the workboard, drag and drop it to change the pipeline option visible on the top of the screen. Here, a box with a Move Lead header will pop up on the right bottom corner of the workboard. Choose the particular pipeline in which you want to move that lead along its current stage with the help of the Pipeline and Pipe Stage option. Then click on the Save button. Let's check with the second way. Click the particular lead on the workboard. A window with a detailed view of that lead will appear. Go to the Pipeline option that is visible in the top left corner below the lead stages. Click on it and a pop-up with a Move Lead header will appear on your workboard. Here, change the lead's pipeline by choosing the pipeline or pipeline stage of the particular lead you want to change. Then click on the Save button. This is how you can easily move your lead from one pipeline to another. Once you move a lead to a required pipeline, you need to strategize the things to manage that lead on a particular pipeline. Having multiple sales pipelines enables an organization to easily track the performance of different teams working on the same lead with different approaches. Hope you liked this video, and if you have any queries regarding SalesTown CRM, feel free to write in the comment section of this video. Please press the like button, subscribe to SalesTown, and hit a bell icon to keep yourself updated with our next tutorial video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching and happy selling!